Hello everyone. Today in this video we are going to learn in Tux Paint about magic tool, text tool, how to save a tool. So let's try the magic tool in Tux Paint. Just click this toolbox. Inside toolbox you can see this magic tool. Just click this magic tool. This tool, magic tool, is used to add special effects. Then we will use it for adding special effects like grass, flowers, etc. in the scenery or anywhere. Okay. So first of all, we have to click this magic tool. Then you can see here a list of tools. Magic tools will appear in the selector. Okay. So you can see so many tools are available here. There are by default blind, blocks, blur, bricks. Okay. Then we can also see the fish eye, flip, fold, flower, form. Okay. Then we can also see that grass, glass style. Okay, so many effects are available here. So we can take one of the from here. Okay, suppose I select this one grass effect. So you can just click once time so you can see. Okay, and after clicking it, just select any color so you can also see the graphs effects in the colors. Okay, so this way we can take. Okay, just select the colors. Okay. And there is one note that the color option is not available for all the magic tools. Okay, now depending on the magic tool we have selected, so we can either click and drag or simply click the picture once. The magic effect will be applied. We can see here below the selector there are two buttons, okay, which help us to decide either you click and drag or simply click once for a particular effect. Okay, here when I select this grass magic tool, you can see that when I click once time it will click show me once time. Okay, suppose I click this button, you can see, and just drag it, so you can so many multiple grasses are on the screen. So this way we can use these two buttons. This is for once click and this is for drag. Okay, and we can use also see the different magic tool also. Suppose we have to see that foam. Where is the foam? This one, foam. So foam effect is like this, so you can use this foam effect. Okay, and the real rainbow effect is so we have to select the real rainbow effect also. This is the rainbow and this is the real rainbow. Just click here and you can see the real rainbow. Okay, suppose this way we can use the magic tools, and there are so many different magic tools are available here. For example, rails. Okay, when you click these rails you can see that the rails effects, drift effect, bricks effect, rainbow effect, rain effect, tornado effect. Okay, so many arts are available here. Some magic effects do not work on plain blank canvas, so we have to correct a picture and then apply these effects on it. Okay, suppose I give some effects. I want to draw some lines here. I just use this shape. Okay, shapes. Suppose I put this shape here and I want to apply some magic effect inside. We can do it. Just click this magic tool and we have noise effect, glass tile effect, waves effect, PV effect, snowflake effect, fold effect. So using of these effects we can apply in the shape or Any scenarios? Suppose I use this noise effect, so you can see some changes of noises effect, okay, in the show. And suppose I take some other show, okay, and glass tile effect. You can see the effects of glass effect, okay. So we can also apply these effects also. Now we're going to see about the text tool. Text tool is used to type text and numbers. So we will use it for adding text like our name or caption in the scenery or any pictures. So just select this text tool, and after clicking it, you just select this black color, and I type here hello. Okay. If you want to change any fonts, you can change it also. This is the bold, and this is the bold. Okay. And below are the size. You can increase or decrease the size of the font from here, these two fonts. Next is the save tool. How to save your scenario or any pictures. To save, we can use this save tool. Just click the save tool. So this picture is your saved. This drawing is saved in your computer. Okay, student. So just do the practice of this magic tool, text tool, and save tool. Okay, and next video we will see how to create a scenario, and we have to see that how to create a slideshow in TouchPaint. So thank you. Have a great day. Bye bye.